Hello, my friends. Namaste. Pranayama, breathwork. Why is it so important? We're taking so much care of our health, of our eating, of our sleeping, of our drinking. We have all kinds of diets. We are vegans, vegetarians, people fasting from sugar, intermittent fasting, carbohydrates fasting to come into ketosis. So we have so many different diets to be healthy and well nourished. How long can you survive without air? You can survive for some time without anything to eat, without anything to drink. Fasting, very important. But how long can you survive without air? Maybe a couple of seconds, couple of minutes, but that's it. Then game over. So in today's video, I want to help you to connect with your breath, connect with your breathing, to learn how to breathe properly. Like a newborn baby, immediately breathes into the belly. But because out of stress, because out of emotions stuck in our body, in our energy system, we forgot how to breathe properly. And most of us, we tend to only breathe into the top parts of our lung. But so we don't have enough oxygen intake and we build up too much carbon dioxide in our body. And this wrong breathing habit we need to overcome. All kinds of diseases, blockages, frustration, depression, stress, all comes because we don't breathe properly. As soon as we learn how to breathe into the belly, up to the diaphragm, fill up the top parts of your lungs, open up and relax. When you learn this breathing and then you maintain it during the day, you learn how to apply it in your daily activities, then your life will be perfect. And only then your life will be successful. Only then you will get out the full benefit of fasting, of all different kinds of diets. So we'll guide you now to the breathing for about 10 minutes, and after the breathing is done, you can wake up or you just continue, you just lie down and you really be aware, you really relax, you really connect with your body, feel the sensations, feel the belly, feel the diaphragm, feel the chest, and connect and understand this new breathing pattern. Okay, you can lie down on your mat, you can lie down in your bed. This is a really great exercise before you go to sleep. It really will help you to completely relax, to calm down the mind, to calm down the whole system, and to have a really wonderful, relaxing and nourishing good night's sleep. So you can take a pillow or a big book, or you just use your hands and you lie down. You can place it on your belly. In my case, I use this yoga cushion here to have some weight on the belly. Okay, we're gonna start with a full exhalation and then deeply breathe into the belly like a balloon. Feel the belly rising. You can place your hands on your pillow so that you feel the pressure with your inhalation. The belly fills with fresh oxygen, prana. Feel the expansions with each inhalation, and as you exhale, the belly will drop in. Just let go the breath. Inhale, fill up the belly with new, fresh oxygen, and then slowly exhale completely. Empty the stomach, empty the air out. Try to make the breath even slower. Bring full attention, full awareness to your belly. Feel how the breath comes in, the belly fills up with oxygen. You can feel the gentle pressure in the pillow, and then as you exhale, the pillow drops down and the air goes out of your system. Just follow your breath, go with the flow. Like an ocean, the wave is coming and the wave is going. Feel how with each breath your whole nervous system comes down. Your mind is more clear, more focused, and you're completely aware of your body sensations. Feel also your sides, your rib cage, your lower back, and with each exhalation completely empty out. Slow and deep breaths out. And breathe in, rising up, filling up the body with air. How does it feel to empty completely and then to fill up again? Explore which areas, which muscles do you use during this exercise. And then just keep breathing like this. Focus on each inhalation and on each exhalation. It's just you and your breath. Your mind and your breath are one. By controlling your breathing, you get control over your mind. And now with each inhalation, you expand the breathing into your body even further. When you inhale, you fill up the belly, and then slowly you come up to the diaphragm. You feel the expansion in your rib cage and fill up the top part of your lungs. Bring the air up from the belly up to the diaphragm and up to your chest area. Fill up the lungs with fresh air, prana, life force. And then letting go completely. Empty the body again. Very slow, very deep, very calming breaths. And as you fill up your lungs with fresh air, automatically your belly will drop a little bit in, but that is completely okay. Just breathe into the belly, up to the chest, and then the belly sinks automatically in. Hold for a short moment and then let the air out. And empty the belly completely. Try to keep on breathing. You breathe out slower than you breathe in. If you breathe out slower than your inhale, you will calm the whole system down. You will tap into the parasympathetic nervous system. You come out of the fight, flight and freeze response. Try to understand and feel how the breath gives you control over the mind. By controlling the breath, the mind will become your best friend instead of your worst enemy. The monkey mind, jumping from one tree to the next, from one block to the next. What about this? What about that? What about this? What about that? But by controlling your breathing, breathe into the belly, up to the diaphragm and up to the top parts of your lungs, you get control over your mind. After each full inhalation, hold now the breath for 2 to 3 seconds and then let the air go out again. And we keep on doing this for another 10 deep breaths. We're gonna take a few more breaths like this and really feel with each breath how the air, how the prana fills up the body from head to toe. And when you exhale, you can really feel the energy, the air coming out of your whole body and completely relax. Try now to slow down the breathing a little bit. Take a little bit calmer breaths than before, with less pressure, less deep. As you breathe out, it's not just letting out air, but instead you're letting go the body of all tensions. Completely relax, just let go. So let's do the last deep inhalation and then hold the breath for a couple of seconds. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your hands, your face muscles, and just feel the expansion of your body. And with your last exhalation, completely relax your breathing. Calm down the whole breathing. And you can also now take your pillow down and just relax. Let the breath flow naturally. Try to just observe the breathing without any effort. You'll be completely aware. Can you see, can you feel that you're not this body? That you're not the mind either? That you consciousness, awareness, the soul within? Try to gently let the breath happen. Let it flow like the waves in the ocean. Wonderful. Can you feel the deep state of relaxation? You can continue lying down in this deep state of mind, or you're slowly moving your body, starting with your toes, your ankles. Give it a full body stretch, interlay your fingers, stretch out your arms, and come back to your body consciousness. Whenever you feel ready, turn on the side and slowly come into a sitting position. Thank you. Namaste.